walking or?
Yep, you can do, let's say if you're really floppy, and I sort of like I can't get them, I'll clamp my partner and put a bit of seizing energy, do the walking, and then clamp and shunt and walk. You just go that way or that way. So as a feeder, you want to give enough so they don't need to clamp.
Yeah, okay.
But if you need to, just lock onto the structure. And then initially I'm going lock physically, but lock energetically, still seized. Yeah. But I don't have time to teach that in this workshop. So, yeah.
So first we did the walk, and now we stand basically, and we imagine, we project as if we are.
Yeah, you just keep mentally stretching and
Yes,
walking,
mentally stretching,
and
okay.
but add the shunt on it.
I see.
Yeah. Okay. See how her elbows move out?
Yeah.
So you can just lock a little bit
I see.
so that it reduces, or ask her not to do that and stretch into you.